So our digital footprint is a record of what you do online, including sites that you visit and things that you post. It can also include things that others post that involve you, such as pictures or comments. So things that you might understand are Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, anything that you might comment on, anything that you might visit, anything you might be tagged in, or anything that you download. There's always going to be a record of it somewhere, even if it looks like it's gone. Like Snapchat, you can take a picture or you can send a text and it disappears. It's not really gone. It's somewhere. And so that's why they call it a digital footprint. Once you put your foot into mud, like the animal did in the previous discussion post, it leaves a track, it leaves a mark, and we can always tell what or who it is. So now I want you to think, how do you want to be seen online? Do you want to be seen as somebody who is caring and helpful? Do you want to be seen as somebody who says something nice about somebody or supports somebody? Or do you want to be seen in another way? How do you think people currently see you? In other words, how do you think people see you right now? What kinds of things do you post online now? Or what kinds of things do you do online right now? That is what you'll be posting in the discussion board. I want you to answer the question, I want to be seen as blank, and I think people see me as blank online. You can answer both those questions either using the video or the audio microphone to record your answer, or you can type your answer. You need to have both parts to get full credit.